So if you want to know how I received almost $1,000 on the internet just by listening to music, just follow the steps I'm about to show you in this video. But before, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Internet Tips. So here on this site, you can see that people from all around the world are receiving payments all the time just by doing the method that I'm going to show you. Now to start things off, you're gonna have to go over to the site www.upload-forever.com. You can type it or just go to the description of this video where I'll leave the link for the site. Once you are on the site, it's gonna ask you to create your account, so start by choosing a username. Then choose a password, and then put in a valid email. Complete the CAPTCHA, then sign up and leave this tab open while we head to this another site, which I'll also leave the link in the description. Here is where you're gonna find lots of song tracks which you can listen to and then download them for free since they don't have copyright. So just listen to the songs. After that, choose the ones you like the most and then download them by pressing this download button right here and then wait for the file to be downloaded. Once you've downloaded the songs you like, you're gonna head back to this site, which is where you are going to earn your money. But first, just so you have an idea, this is a list of how much you are going to earn. It's divided in 4 tiers that are based on which countries your downloads are coming from. Here you can see that countries on the first tier, like United States, are the highest paying ones, with a reward of $7 for download. And since that's probably where most of your traffic is going to come from, it means you can make really easy money. Now that you already know how much money you expect to receive, it's also important to know how you are going to be paid. And that's no problem because this site offers you a variety of payment methods, such as PayPal, Payoneer, Payeer, and many others. So now you must be excited to know how to make money on this site, so I created this brand new account to walk you through the site. First, you're gonna come over to this section of the site, and here is where you're gonna drag the files of the songs you have just downloaded. So click this button or open the folder where you downloaded the files and drag them from the folder to this box. Be sure to leave this box checked so your upload is not private. Now wait for the upload to be completed. It shouldn't take you long even if you have a bad internet connection. And now another thing to remember is that more uploads can mean more money, so try to upload as many files as possible. Once you finish your uploads, it's time for you to set a price for your songs so you can always receive the highest amount of money possible whenever someone downloads your file. So click on this button, and in here, type the price you want to be paid. Now, as long as you have done everything correctly, you should be starting receiving money from this method soon. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on new videos similar to this one on how to make money online. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.